welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to talk about the most dreaded thing, which is blackheads and acne, and I will give you a few recommendations for cleansers and face wash which will help to clear it out and are also very affordable and available in India. And if you want to know more, then keep on watching. So hello, if you don't know me, hi, my name is Moksha Rathur and welcome back to my YouTube channel where I talk all about skincare. Before I start giving you cleanser recommendations, you should know whether you have blackheads or not. Blackheads are those tiny black dots on your face which are actually called comedones. In this, the oil, dead skin cells and dirt gets trapped inside the pore and cannot come out, which then oxidizes and turns black. These are most commonly present on your nose and your forehead. It can also be sometimes present on your cheeks and chin. And coming on to acne, which we all know are called pimples, are also caused due to oil, dead skin cells and bacteria build up in your skin. So if you're someone with acne prone skin and you keep getting acne here and there, then this video will definitely help you. Coming on to the cleanser recommendations, the first one I want to mention is Neutrogena Oil Free Acne Wash. Now this has 2% salicylic acid. If you don't know, salicylic acid is the best thing you can use for your blackheads and pimples. It deep cleans your pores and will help to remove all the buildup of dead skin cells, bacteria and oil in your pores and will help to get rid of blackheads and acne very effectively. So yes, this Neutrogena face wash has 2% salicylic acid, which is the highest concentration available, and this is perfect to use for everyone. It will help to remove all the excess oil from your face without over drying your skin. So this is perfect for people who have oily to combination skin types. Also, this one is going to last you for quite few months and is very affordable, so you should definitely give this one a try. Now coming on to the second recommendation, which is Salicylic DS face wash. Now again, this one has 2% salicylic acid, so it's best for people who have blackheads and acne. Other than salicylic acid, which will help from blackheads and acne, it also has glycerin in it, which will help to moisturize your skin and won't over dry your skin. So this is great for people who have oily combination normal or dry skin types. But if you're someone with very dry skin and still have blackheads and a few acne here and there, then you can go for Salicylic face wash. The previous one I mentioned was Salicylic DS face wash. The one I'm mentioning right now is Salicylic face wash. This particular face wash has 1% salicylic acid in it, so the concentration of salicylic acid is less and is better for people who have dry or sensitive skin type. Coming on to my fourth recommendation, which is AHA Glow S face wash. Now this has 2% salicylic acid, so again great for people who have blackheads and acne. But this also has 1% glycolic acid in it. This particular ingredient will help to remove all the dead skin cells from the upper layer of your skin and will make your skin very smooth and soft. It also has 5% aloe vera in it, so it will help to calm down your skin and will also moisturize your skin at the same time. So if you're someone who likes aloe vera and want to get rid of blackheads and acne, you should definitely give this one a try. Coming on to my fifth recommendation, which is CeraVe Salicylic Acid Cleanser. This cleanser obviously has salicylic acid, but it does not mention in how much concentration it is present. Also, it is mentioned way down the ingredient list, so it might be present in a very low concentration. The good thing is that this cleanser has niacinamide in it, which will help to brighten out your skin and will also help to keep the oil production in control. Also, it has ceramides in it, which will help to moisturize your skin at the same time. So I would personally suggest this cleanser for people who have combination to normal skin types, and if you have like very mild acne or very few blackheads on your skin, then this cleanser would be perfect for you. So these were the 5 recommendations for your. All the product links will be mentioned in the description box below. Now what you need to do is choose any one of these and start using it only at night first, and see how your skin feels after using it for a few days, whether it feels better, it feels softer. Then you can increase the frequency and use it in the mornings as well, and if you want, you can just continue using it at night. Another thing which I want to mention is please use the cleanser for at least 1 or 2 months to see visible results, because the cleanser is going to stay on your skin for less than 1 minute in a day, and that is very less amount of time to show results. So I would suggest you to use this for a good amount of time and then come on to a conclusion whether you like it or not. And if you're someone who wants to see results quickly within 2 to 3 weeks, then you will have to use toners or serums which contain salicylic acid, as they will stay on your skin for a longer period of time, for at least like 12 hours, and that will show you results faster. If you want some affordable options for serums and toners containing salicylic acid which will help to get rid of blackheads, then you can watch this video. I have mentioned everything in it. So this brings me to the end of this video. I hope you find this video helpful. If you do, please make sure you hit that like button. Also, please subscribe to my channel and watch these 2 videos right here, and I will meet you again next time. Bye.